So today I tell myself some want go with my ear and only the ear. So see, it cut off. So I just touch it up, comb it back. I know I hit that. So you know it's a girl team. Yeah, the Jamaican will come in a bellies. Come go out with a bag of things. Yeah. I can't juice to give my husband. I make mango juice for him. I try to cook in a fish in the fridge, but I had a mood for cook, so I know that go already. But at least I can juice in my baby. Love of my life. Yeah. Boy, my flow there was 73. So I come go down and me mechanic first. Him said me have to go carry this. Come again. Put it on the vehicle. So I'm gonna link him. See something. Yeah. I just do this. And then I'm gonna come up, reach down a little bit more. I say I can reverse. Hey. With one hand. Watch ya. Watch the door to slam. Yeah, I just, you know. Yeah, I just actually just pull up, take off the wig and just comb it, go back. Listen, you have to learn to love your naturality and accept how you look. So if somebody will think that, oh, she look different in her wig or she look whatever, me not give a jack shit. You know that already all of my YouTube families them. And no say me no care. Me just come out looking anyway. Me just come out and me just yeah. I have another time I beard and put on look makeup and try look girly. You know, but yeah, you know it go already, so it's a girl team where I go down on the streets and see what go on. So there's some road work. I don't understand why is it that them can't do the road work in the night than them have to do it in the day and obstruct traffic. Look there. So the whole of the traffic go down the road is tight and them are gonna stop everybody. Yeah, so I put it on before I say, oh, try like this. Come just like I put it on and like just sleep my mind because I just saw a big iguana a while ago. Oh, so see they lock. Yeah. It's the big road work. But just drop off my vehicle at the mechanic. See the behind me. So I just said to him, so I tell my family, say you put me out here again. I say yes. You put me out of my vehicle, leave me walking up and down. No man, my mechanic bad. One thing my mechanic do, once him say I'm ready, him ready. So you know me just walk up and down. You can't give me a next vehicle because you have only a vehicle park up out there now. Give me a next vehicle man, chow. Remember you name what you name me now. Oh, the place crowded. Yes, I'm just spend a little time in a lady vehicle. I'm going to go for the fruits. Oh, man. Right in my barbershop family, no come back yet. Give me a run one part of come talk about. What that? What part? My husband back week. Righty. Make sure I make my husband drink soda and tell me say don't drink no soda. With too much rice, beans and something that's not healthy. Okay? So you know what good girl have to do? Good girl have to go in the kitchen. As well, Alexa say, girl I better can cook. Think they have to be able to look say want live a restaurant to come down my back book. Cook? Eh? Recipe book. Yeah. As a Jamaican, we have to cook. Now so we not support and patronize, you know. But you don't know the kitchen come first. Because them say the ways to a man's heart is through his stomach. Yeah, so African blood clot cook. Or see a good pussy wife. You want to go in the kitchen go cook, girl. Yeah, watch your bus. Watch my first driving experiences in the big blue bus. Run and ramp on the magic school bus. Yeah. So I walk up and in the sun. I will ask me how I do it in the sun. I'm so, how you do it? In the sun. Walk up and down and I'm like, no, just do what I do. Yeah. Good body, wagwan. Somebody have a fruit stall. I'm always come by me look at fruits them. And thing. You get a little bag of tomato. $2. What me? You know the pepper, I get golden apple. Everything. From the ear I blew up. Yes. These are going to blow my ear, I look like one big mad man. What's up? Let's see where you have a go on here in a jam shop. That's how I come buy my fruits. All type of fruits. You get pineapple, you get papaya, you get watermelon, you get dragon fruit, you get your vegetable too. You get green banana, ripe banana, plantain, you get your lime, you get your orange, you get your ginger, you get your sweet pepper. You name it, them have it. So here says when I come especially on a Sunday, when no city lock up. So run come here and grab little fruits then. You have a little dollar basket. This is where you pick up a little dollar basket. And the little thing, so much this. Yeah. Irish $2. Yeah. So I have a little dollar something of them. Understand? Yeah. Right on the highway, Ladyville highway. Come now, she get advanced because she starts sell clothes. People, she said she starts sell hot clothes. She tell me say she starts sell hot clothes. See them there. You know that I'm a vlogger? You know that I'm a content creator? I am a vlogger. I have a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel. I'm a content creator. She said me not easy. She said, how about me? Well, she done come out and attack already. You know how them do it. She done come out and attack, you know. Yeah, I know. The ladies are mafia. I don't know who she killed. I look like everybody is Nabelis is wanted by police. No, we can't deal with them people in our country. May I promote our business. Where do we go to do? The people them know say you sell fresh fruits, you start to look at clothes them. Whenever I can't go in the city, this is the place where I stop to shop. When I interview her, you see them are troublemaker, especially she. She lucky when I put the camera up on her for show. I am a Jamaican living in Belize. I am a Jamaican living in Delhi type of thing. She always want me traveling and she knows say I mean. She don't know if her customers so come buy from her. It's the same type. My big face like that. Just that Martin and Martin. You can imagine? Yes, I just don't feel like my boy call me hairdresser. I don't want to put on a wig. I just flat for my natural hair. I want them to cut it down say no. Whew. Gucci. Gucci. Your sisters ever put you? You find it? Subscribe. Press the subscribe button. Subscribe. May I get 4,000 people add a view the channel. But you're not subscribing. Please like, share, and subscribe. You know, you see him never tell you a while ago you don't even know somebody on YouTube. Somebody don't chat, but me not subscribe because you put me on. You see them troublemaker, I saw them stay. Hey! Well, fuck you don't. No, sir. And then when they don't listen, I'm going to say, Chow, I walk up here. Promoting the business. That's what I do best. All the local business, them, I put them on my channel. So everybody over the world, I want to show me turn the camera up on her. I want to show how spiteful maybe. She don't know me, you know. People don't want her from me. Okay. So we can cool off. I will go down a U-Mall and come back. The game of my juice for my when? Yes, she laugh. Yes, she laugh. She like problem. She. So come. No, they love trouble me. They love give me trouble. And they make you like I'm here trouble them. I never trouble me either. But they love me. Not like. Yeah. I'm in Ladyville. Yeah, my then I'm my hometown. I just drove off a vehicle a while ago. But I don't know. But I just go and put it back by fifth. Yeah. Yo. See that bike there? Yeah. Your rum flick by your head 2 times. Father, I make a girl come charm. I'm going to be something on the left and the right. Skin out, break up, get wild and not. Your rum boom flick on the head. Bumper, I go round and round, round and round, round and round, mama. Bumper, I go round and round, all through the town. No, sir. Whenever I'm going at the old yard, I'm usually living up. Yep. This is what it feels like. I know me go walk go down the road. I walk go down the roads. Yeah. You know the hot go and the sun. I like the range there. I like them hike vehicle, you know. Yeah. Right now, the barber shop. Just know everybody.
Your friend don't like it.
No, when I send it back, you can't trick me. Hello. Just know everybody who are passing the vehicle, I will call to me. Oh, sir. Now, let me tell you something. Believe some people do watch my vlog. Some of them actually comment. Yeah. Some of them are very grateful. I'm not gonna lie to you. Some of them are genuinely grateful and them appreciate what we do. Yeah. So because of that I keep pushing despite despite a little bit of negativity, which is that's the balance of life. You can't expect everybody to like you. So let's get used to it. And yes, I said, trust me, every turn I turn, you're gonna hear people blowing, stopping, do everything. More famous now, but listen. But for the good things, I will never live my life to make people around me shame and disgrace. No, sir. Finally reach a new man. Jesus, son hot.
Where the what?
I dropped my vehicle right at the side of the mechanic.
What happened to you?
It's set, the engine said overheat. So I'm saying I probably want something for clamp something just buy it and carry it.
Also, got the Kaliwa.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, put it with you. Then he oil one pack. 46.98. That's what I don't see her on TikTok right now. When I see her thing on TikTok. I just see it and I miss it.
My post on TikTok, but not much as I used to.
One guy for black me.
I'm so black from TikTok, you're crazy. I want to tell you, I never try black nobody on TikTok, only on WhatsApp because WhatsApp is like privacy. So I back up on that if you disturb my nerves or call me at certain hours. And my husband I really did a call you after 8, 9 o'clock. Yeah, nobody can call me. So this is my cashier. Say hi. Yeah, we're there in a human, so I come chillax with her. You understand? Yeah. She said me black her on TikTok. No, me see you talking on TikTok.
Can I see it long time? I'll just see her on TikTok.
You follow you follow me?
Yes.
So you know see me look on the last 2 videos what me do.
I'm not have to go in anything I see.
I do the one I go at Dan Grieger. I go at Dan Grieger to talk to Marisha. I darling. And I go see Papa John.
125 years.
For me, I just take off the wig on. So I don't want to put on any more ear. And so I roll so.
You don't want to put mama here for?
I feel like that braid it. Feel it.
Yes, sir.
Silky, don't it? Yeah.
Yes, right now my plan on pay this, I need to bring some peanut for sale at the shop. But when it's done, I'll pay you everything. So I'll let you know.
Okay.
Alright.
I feel like I don't want to braid it. Or put them at the next week. Or I push braid it. And them say
Think right now.
them say push braid fit me. Like this. You tell like a push back tomorrow. I'm going to bust a curl on it.
Aye.
The big man I look black and the blackness is rich pan him. So, I told my married because I like one on the black and you know.
That's the girl from Yard.
Him know the yard talk them. You understand?
You like everything? You separate.
No, you have to.
$10
You don't mind I ask her how old I be?
How old am I?
Yeah.
65.
See that?
10 cents?
65 looking fucking good. Wow, you should have glad I'm married. Trouble there in a paradise.
The husband needs some help.
You don't need the help. You don't need the help. I said, if I never married, I said, if I never married. So, I'm clear it up. I'm not giving any trouble right now. But if I never married, Yeah. The 65 look good. So man, the 65 are going with itself. People in 65 already like mutton.
You like that too?
65, every teeth in their mouth, blood clot, white, that's sexy, watch him. 65, I look good! Murder! Then I want if a girl that will come look for you for the media.
Thank you.
I said 65, I look good. That is your new name. 65, I look good. No, sir. Lord Jesus, me said the way the day are hot.
I don't know what they're
See that? I look what you can get.
Now, where they drink the orange juice?
No, mango. Mango.
Oh, for the
With
cooling?
cucumber.
Cooling.
I said, I can't give my husband, but let us see if we can reach there. Oh shit, it was drop off. And police someone broke that down to blood clean out. No, man, I laugh. This is serious. Like, me I walk on the road and trust me, traffic. Watch out. Say hi. I feel like them I laugh the bombarders. No, sir. Everybody I broke off them head. No, man. Woman, man. Everybody I blow. No, them BDF that. No, the BDF that are Coast Guard. The Coast Guard that can make me pop up. No accident, no accident at all. Why murder? But I catch it by the camera cause after the footage, in case they want to come a court, come be a wickedness. No, fuck the sun out of the dust. Why them people are going to look down me and the other girl? They're going to look down and then say, I will walk out on the road. But the greatest thing is that we have a camera everywhere, so they must send them like that. I don't know what to do. I catch a bus and go down in the city. Go down in the city. You know that I want to come down there and I see the bus? You know what's the bus go up the road? Yep. My experience again in a long while of going to public transportation. 1 year, just years. But it's soft, then you know watch it a blue, it's soft. Yeah. So the bus has finally come, my bus come. I jump in at another city. Walk and down. You know, I don't want to go Bird's Eye because my husband somebody already. I think I went there, me, my husband and Alia. Yeah, the one that me tell me about the bird airport. Me, she and my husband go. And me and darling go too. Yeah. Love you, darling. Yeah. So, now I'm around the today. I I got some sister I just fix my tights there. And the tights me fix. So my belly not all that big. Somebody said put a whole heap of weight at you. My belly big over my banana. But a lie, them are telling you a lie. Yeah, I may put on weight, but it's not that big. No part of it, I have to let go my mouth. Right. Oh, my belly big. Right. Samantha, big up herself. Yeah, big up my nice friend in Barbados. She said she will be leaving to Jamaica very soon. So see that she come over here or me about Jamaica go look for her. Love you, my girl. Yeah, big up Thierry and Arjun. Yeah. Big up my nice to put that but they mash up. When I do them, they mash up and crazy. I saw no slim I want to go to my life. Yeah. Big up my son in the States and big up my son. My last son. I'm going to put up of this prison. Yeah, big up you. Big up Sashi. All the time, baby. I know I love you. So I'm still a look for my ear. What do you think I should braid it or get back on that bush wave? No, I'm going to make Jen just a curl on it and do it to the curl for the about 2 days and then do something to the hair. I just get some people after the look like they come can't bother. It starts scratching me and my head hurt me, so I have to take it off. So I'm in the run by the magic school bus. And the magic school bus. Yeah. Mechanic said to come back with an hour time ago. You just jump in on a bus and you start here in the city. So this is not happening. And I'm a duchess. I'm the black side. I want me to take bus. So I come to the right side. Yeah. You know, I don't know why that's happening. You know, this morning as I forgot to so I'm saying I talk about today. Today I'm in the house and I'm flat out in there. Just flat out in there. And I really want to do so me and curly, but I'm curling to the come out of it. So I just, run the flat out and I'm making small. I watch some point YouTube but what the point name? There's something on there say in map card. Because he say in growing at church and then because he say he have sexual feelings in male. So he say he kind of how to deal with it and he feel like if him go to male because of the pressure of being attracted to man and him pastor, my father was a pastor. And he must say, if him say them are say him go hell or whatever. So him say, him talk to God about it and say, God, you know, so me have feelings, man, whatever. But then him get in my mind, summarize and say, if him like man, that him to go hell and him go dead or whatever, what people will say about him. So him do one song with one cow farm with some man that Cyrus. So the man is Miley Cyrus' father. And the song go viral and then just him do another video where him like him their hell and him a wind up on the devil and him do another video where him a go up and go up in a hell on the pole and him some people I saw one video there but I was never interested like certain things just do attract me with my attention or whatever and him buy some Nike shoes and put some like some blood in it and I say 666 whatever and sell them and then sold out. Like I don't know, people are into something like that and patronize him, but then like in constantly I do more things and then people start losing fan base because they must say like him a mad God. And you know it's just that because then come out and say it's because of all the Christian people and make him feel like him God no love him and stuff like that. So like because I saw the video and like him I say him now say sorry but he just say him not mad God and him just like him say him just do it because of the matter of revenge from Christian people. I say who are Christian people there? Like this so you can't be so caught up in the world where people actions and words control your movement and this is what I try to do every day because even some of the media them are talking and calling me everybody are sending me links to go up on our life. I'm gonna say listen to me, only not send me nothing. Whatever she wants to go on for your life, that is her business. Why should I make that be a problem to me? And as I saw the video to them, I said, this is what I realized with people. And it wasn't even about Christian people, it was about him having a personal battle inside. So even if because I'm going to say like, oh, Christian people coming at this, you ain't gotta have a relationship. And you say you pray out for that to remove the feelings from you having interest in a man. Where the Christian people? Me not get it, like me just not get the madness of people delusion. As I'm say, I don't care who want to call it me, that's not my business. It's your mouth, you're free for that. Only thing I realize is when people come in and if me say something, they might tell me, say me this and that. I'm like, yo, you see that person there? That's what that person I do. So why I meet my focus band. Even I'm not like, sometimes people say, don't pay them, I might never say, me look like it's not to pay people, man. If I want to speak, I got my mouth to speak, free speech. But I'm not the type of person where dwell upon people and that make my life go down or that make me feel dirty or that make me eat or have sleepless nights or that affects my marriage none time at all. No. So if I even do say something it's because let's have a conversation with my role because my brains and something. Listen, nobody play no major role in my doings and saying. I don't care, Christian, you know God, you know God has nothing to do with me. And if I pray to God, I am not going to just jump and do things and say, oh God, you want me to do this or that. No. First, I know what is morals, I know what is self-respect, I know what is self-worth and self-value. So I don't really need them to tell me, say, okay, then for the validation. Oh, if I do this, them I go vex because then, oh, somebody forgot up on the media and go up on live on TikTok as me can see my first video. The lady said, she don't see me on TikTok. She do she one day, she block me. Me no go on TikTok unless I go on TikTok. Just to look on my page and see the person that follow me. How much person like my video them. I may jump off. That's just how me go on TikTok. You know get me, I used to go on TikTok and go live. You understand me? And I think one time me I cook and I go live. And somebody say, oh, where you get on Belize? Like she them I say, oh, Belize is in Canada. So I say, you can't go on my page and tell me what to say. This is what I really like with people that don't want to wait in your personal space. I do this to me not go on people life. One time they come on my life which is insult to the because I wanted to ask him a few questions. Him say move from around the people them and we gonna live in one isolation area with my wife and so I saw a picture with his wife and a tattoo in her front and like, I was just curious and I said can I come over here for and look at not just at them looking for a answer and so me there must say something like some woman or him wife or whatever I don't sure because then it has not just the whole thing out of my head when I say oh woman pissing her head and stuff like that and I'm like what? So when I go on the live in the night, I come back and say, what do you mean by pissing my head? After the man just kick me off of the live and did that shit. When Jamaica come, I don't want to tell people what to do. And they're like, watch it now and say, okay. From that, I just especially release them live. I think upon it. First thing, when we are Jamaicans, instead of Jamaicans, but that's a total different story. As if me as an individual I talk to them, it's actually Jamaicans and they're like, when you sound like Jamaicans, so why as me say something or try to respond to him, that means we have a hatred for me then, because that can't be love. Because if me as an individual I try to talk to you and you are dealing with me and say I'm a Jamaican, like that coming from a deep hatred. So for me personally, I just withdraw myself from the crowd. I have my own vehicle, drive privately. If I do come in a public space, if somebody don't say something to me, I don't look, I just literally ignore, because I not take disrespect, I mean I'm gonna give to nobody, so I'm not receive money from nobody. That's just how I portray me and my surrounding, my life and everything. People action has nothing to do with me. Whatever people say it has nothing to do with me. I control my own actions and my own emotions. And what I do, I can't do account to anybody else. And that's some content that people say. When you go say, oh, let's do this and this and that, they're like, no. You do it because you want to do it. I blame Christian, I blame church. You want to go from pole and slide down in the hill. Then in the hospital last video, say my son in face, nah, the muscles them in the face, nah, move and stuff like that. And that's what you do when you try to say you want to mock God. God will literally put you down and make you can't move. As you want him to understand, you know God. And God will show you, say, him a God. Yep. So it come. Talk to me. Why them want you for dead?
Listen to me. God bless me. Let me say something. I am blessed by God. Because if that was my time, I'm a God long time ago. They are mighty bless me.
Tell her thanks, no?
Thank you.
Oh.
Wet till that's right.
Wipe your face and wipes.
Like I said,
Look, you line up.
thank God, yeah.
How would you make? I might put makeup on your face.
And I make up the armor design. Yeah, wipe off one. Yeah, I just got shopping. Like I said, yeah, that's
I'm buying soup. Yeah.
So, I know, right? Yeah. You're good though. I'm
Yeah.
That was long life, no?
Slide.
You know something for picture?
I'm happy to see the blood clot.
Watch out, to the hat, I'm going to shake it to the max. I'm happy I have
one jar in the car right now. You stink up the whole of bellies like myself.
I can tell everybody something. Listen to me, everybody would wish to say I did, right? But the other person who's going to be strong right now is my dad and my family.
Alright.
So, right now, I don't know about I'm looking at me dead. But right now, I live in. They got people like me, some people. They got some haters and they got some.
Same thing with me. Some people don't like me and some people love me.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
People see me and tell me, say, me love you, but I make nobody tell you nothing.
Sure, don't worry about nobody.
But you shake it to the max all over bellies.
Right now, I give up on my foot. I feel blessed right now. I thank God. And I come back stronger. One love, lady. One love.
Alright, away I go.
Who am?
Really?
Farmers. But I stop by the station.
Oh, God, this now go down.
Yeah, I'm going to hear everybody, but he must live far too. Right at the barber shop. Everybody wants to see
people them say, why you invite man in your hotel?
The man in my hotel, I tell you how this is. The young man never have no money. I serve for I give out the opportunity and I rent a the hotel for the man. I may stay at a Fuente and I give out one the spot, the next hotel in Victoria. So I look after the man. But I love and respect him, I kind you.
Yeah.
Very generous, but in this
give me $10, you just do an come on, give me $10, man. Come on. Stop going so I charge. Can you have money?
They thief all
you have money, you have money, but you like. So you want to give man money, but you don't want to give man money.
No, because that rich all my money, thief all gone. I'll have this. All my money gone next time. I love this too. Alright, life done. Good night. Bye. That was a long life. That's a long one.
You not come on.
I come out that life then. In fact, and the sweat. I was telling you I'm about to shop myself. It's fun.
Hey, y'all live free now in the bellies now. You get free clothes, free ear, free food, free everything. Cause you walk out every blood clot. No, sir. I can't be bothered.
Nice to meet you again. Bye.
Take care. My friend, Mr. Handsome. No. So you just say nice people some handsome lie? Lie! Mr. Handsome is too lie! Mr. Handsome lie! Many people say Mr. Handsome lie like Duffy story! Talk truth! Lie Jesus Christ, Mr. Handsome, don't take on the big money.
I don't got no time, I don't.
You have money, Mr. Handsome, full of beer money. That's why I'm going to take away your money. Mr. Handsome said that about Mr. Handsome, I take out the money. Come on, see why the man rob him, and that's why I'm getting robbed. Fuck man. Me say, Mr. Handsome, now give me money at all. The man, not about him buy him rent hotel. Where you rent hotel and give man for?